Hello, I am Alex Zoupanos. I don't speak very good the English language, but I want to share something with you. Today I saw the most incredible thing, but now something happened. I don't know what it is. We'll go together and see. It's in my cupboard. One sound came from here. I don't know what it is. Let's see. It's a dog. What surprise! I've never seen such a beautiful dog. But first, let's see its reactions. Like, take it. Hello, dog. How are you? She's afraid to speak. I don't know why. Let's see the reactions. Do you like balls? I think that was yes. So take one ball to see if you like it. Take another ball. Take an apple. An apple. You don't like it. Take a pillow. You don't like it. Okay, if I see reactions, I will tell it to you and I will upload another video. Say bye to this dog and you will see another video.